Hello everyone. So in this project we're gonna see how to plot your census data on a graph through internet using your ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. So let's get started. Talking about the process, it includes DHT11 sensor whose data will be given to the Arduino board. This board, with the help of the code, will process the data and will give it to ESP8266, which help us to send the data to thingsbig.com over internet. And in the end, this website will process the received data and plot the graph. Talking about the hardware side, these all are the components you will require to make this project. And the connection of all these components is like this. Okay, so going into the brief about DHT11, it has two parts in it, a microcontroller and a sensor. The sensor acts like a capacitor whose capacitance changes with the temperature and humidity. The raw data are processed by this inbuilt microcontroller, which give response in 40 bits serial data. This 40 bits includes the temperature data, humidity data, and also some checksum byte and parity bits. Choice of ESP8266 as a Wi-Fi module was pretty obvious because of its following features, like its ease of use. We can easily interface the ESP8266 with any controller using AT commands. Second thing, it comes with a very low cost. It is easily available at a cost of 250 to 300 rupees. And the third and the most important thing is its community. ESP8266 has a large community of techies, makers, engineers. So if you have any doubt regarding ESP8266, just go into the community, ask your question, and your problem may get solved within a day. Before going into the code, we need to be familiar with this thingsbig.com. It's a great platform for IoT projects. We can use this platform in many different ways, but today we will use it to plot a graphs of the data which is coming from the sensor. For that, you need to make an account in it and go to the channel to create a new channel. In that, give channel name and also provide the field names. Fields are nothing but the graphs of the particular parameter versus time. We can plot maximum of 8 graphs as there are only 8 fields available in the single channel. In our project, we will create two fields, one for temperature and other for humidity. Then we will go to API keys in our channel. Here we will get a unique key which we need to enter in our code. There are two keys, one for writing data and other for reading data. In our code, we will use the write key as we need to write the data onto the graph. In the code, we are just following these steps. Number first is reading the data from the DHT. For that, we are using the DHT library whose link I have attached in this description. Second thing is connecting ESP8266 to our router. For that, you need to enter the hostname and password in the code. Then we will establish a connection to thingsbig.com. We will establish a TCP connection at the port 80. After establishing connection, we will update the values of this data, that is temperature and humidity, onto this website, and then we will be giving a delay of 15 seconds. So after every 15 seconds, we're going to repeat this whole steps, the reading data, establishing connection, and updating the values. So on the graph, you will be observing the new values every 15 seconds. So this is all you need to do in your Arduino code. So let's upload this code. And let's open the serial monitor. Okay, we got one value. After the second value, we will be able to see the proper graph. So, okay, as you can see that the value of the temperature and humidity get updated, and we are able to observe the graph. So every 15 seconds this will update this graph, and you can definitely observe it through your mobile phone, to your PC, wherever you are. Just you need to log in into your account and observe these channels. Okay, after a few minutes, it has plotted already 6 or 7 readings. So as you can observe that the graph of temperature and humidity, temperature is almost constant in this room. So okay, this is the project. So you can make many interesting stuffs using this logic. Also, you can plot the data of your current sensor for power monitoring of your any devices of your home. Also, you can measure your power consumption. So it will be plotted in a graph. And yeah, explore this ThinkSpeak website if you are interested in this IoT topic. It's a great website. You will love to explore. And okay, make one for you and subscribe our channel for more such amazing project. Till then, thanks for watching.